Enlightenment. Each experience brings me closer to enlightenment. Curiosity. Curiosity opens the door to discovery and growth. Exploration. True growth begins with exploration beyond comfort. Drive. My drive comes from a vision bigger than fear. Pioneer. I choose to live as a pioneer, not a follower. Adaptability. Adaptability is the key to thriving in chaos. Courageous. A courageous heart keeps moving despite the fear. Iteration. Progress is built through bold iteration. Relentless. Relentless action turns vision into reality. Resolve. With firm resolve, I take the next step. Trajectory. Small shifts today can change your whole trajectory.